Hello friends, welcome to Hunt Electronics. This is your friend Shakib with a new technical topic. Transformer-less capacitive power supply for low power applications. Yes, for low power applications over here. So if you are planning to design any decorative lamp or a night lamp or a zero LED bulb like this applications, so you can go for the transformer-less capacitive power supply. So as compared to the transformer based power supply or SMPS power supply, those are very costly as compared to this. These circuitries are easily available in the market at the cheaper rate, not more than 10 to 15 rupees over there. So let us see the detailed circuitry about it, how it works. So here you can find the main heart of the circuitry is a voltage drop capacitor, or you can say another X-rated capacitor over here. The two circuitries I prefer over here, that is denoted by C1 over here. So this is the heart of the circuitry, which reactance is inversely proportional to the input. So what happens here, the high voltage input, that is 230 volt AC input, is dropped because of its high reactance, and the voltage get dropped because of the C1. Okay, so basically this circuitry is a non-polarized. You can connect anyhow. So you can see this is a non-polarized type of, it does not have any polarity, you can see. Now in parallel with that, there is one more circuitry, that is R1, which is connected in parallel with this voltage dropper capacitor. Why? Because when we turn on and off the circuitry, there is a store of a charge. Okay, so this capacitor is near about available in the market with a voltage rating of 200-400 volt over there. So that much amount of voltage is stored over there. So if we are not going to use this R1, so there may be the case, if we with naked hand, if we touch the circuitry, you may get a shock. To overcome that and to discharge this capacitor, we are using this R1. It is also known as a bleeder resistor over there. So another input, there is one more resistor over there, which is used for an to overrush of the current in the circuitry. Yes, and this output of a drop voltage is given to the rectifier. So it is a bridge rectifier, you can see here in actual circuitry I've shown with the arrow. So it is a 4 diode, that is 1N4007. Okay, so the bridge rectifier which converts AC into pulse rating DC over there, and output of that rectifier, it is given to one more capacitor, that is C2. Now this is polarized capacitor C2, which is also known as a filter capacitor. Okay, you can see in both the circuitry. So it is a filter capacitor over there. So output of the DC is a pulse rating DC. To remove the impurity, it is used as, and the output of this C2, that is in parallel with, there is one zener as a voltage regulator. So as per the requirement output, like a 5 volt, 10 volt, 15 volt, okay, whatever it is, as per that you can select this zener over there, and the output is given to the LED. So LED is the load over here. Okay, so we are going to see the load over here. Now as I told you, this circuitry is easily available at a cheaper cost of 10 to 15 rupees. If this circuitry ready-made, it is not available in the market, so you people can take a screenshot of this video. So here it is a list of the component which we required over there, and this is the circuit diagram. By reading this circuit diagram, you can connect your circuitry without any PCB board like this. You can see here high suppressor capacitor near about 400 volt, one bleeder resistor over there, then the rectifier, and then the output load of the resistor. That's it. If required, you can connect the zener as per the requirement. Okay, so now friend, let us move towards the practical session and just check out how it works in actual.
Okay friends, so let us start as a practical session. So as I have explained, you see I've got two types of circuitry which is available, locally available in the market over. Okay, both working is same, output is same over here, little bit different in output current and voltage over there. Some are with zener output, some are without zener output. So today's practical session, we required a capacitor power supply. Okay, so if you are not getting this ready-made board in the market, okay, so as I've shown you in the PPT, you can just list down the component list and you can get a component and you can assemble it. Okay, so here we required one capacitor power supply over there, some few LEDs. I've got one 2 pins and connector over here. Okay, so first of all, let us start with a Okay friend, now you can see I have done with the soldering. Let us check whether it is working properly or not with the help of multimeter. Yeah, it is working. Okay, now we need two wires, connecting wires. Let us connect this with the output of this. Okay, so this is one plus VCC, one more, it should be the ground over here. Okay, this is plus, this is ground over here. Then I've got 2 pin. Let's connect the 2 pin over here. Okay friends, now you can see that I've connected. So this is plus, VCC should go to the plus. So here the plus. Okay, and minus should go to the minus. Okay friend, you can see now towards the input side I have connected 2 pin over here. At the output we have connected LED. Let us just turn it on and just we can see whether we are getting the output. So my dear friend, you have seen that already we have connected our circuitry. So at the output you have got the LEDs. Okay, here we have connected 2 pins. Let us check now. Let us connect this over here. Okay, see whether all collections are right and okay. So let us turn it on. Yeah, you can see that. Oh, it's looking so beautiful. Okay, so you can use this circuitry for your night lamp LED bulbs, okay, or decorative items over here. It's looking awesome. Great. So for more technical video, please my friend like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more info like this.